kitchen, pink water in the toilet, or a picture of a pizza delivery guy behind the door? What is common among them? Our new pranks! Watch another funny prank compilation in our new video. Blondie is so gullible. She takes part in all the internet giveaways and lotteries, and she hopes to win something every time. Well, I can take advantage of it while plotting my next prank. Type a fake message with congratulations on winning something. An iPhone, for example. Mention the place and the time, where and when to pick up the assumed gift. Send the message to your friend. Blondie gets the message of her dreams. Wow! I've won a new iPhone! It's the happiest day of my life! At last! This is a real jackpot! Blondie is excited. She jumps off her seat and rushes up to find her gift. So, where are they? She has already looked through the entire park searching for her present. It was written crystal clear that the event would take place right here. Where are the company representatives? Poor Blondie. Don't be distressed. Look, I've brought you some cold lemonade. Take it. It's the best gift on such a hot day. You shouldn't rely on the internet giveaways so much. Pizza delivery? You didn't order pizza. And what about a prank? It's a prank delivery. Call on the door phone and put a photo of a pizza delivery guy in front of the camera. Blondie hurries up to the door phone. What is that? She hasn't ordered a pizza today. Is it an edible surprise gift from her secret admirer? She cautiously opens the door. I wonder what kind of pizza it is, with mushrooms or with chicken. The pizza is a prank. Curly Sue is hiding behind the door, and she's brought a picture of a delivery guy instead of a pizza. Lunch is off the table. Curly Sue falls asleep while reading. Excellent! She sleeps tight while studying, so my prank won't wake her up. I'm tying Curly Sue to the armchair with plastic wrap. The more I will wrap her, the harder it will be for my friend to get out of it. Curly Sue wakes up being trapped by the plastic wrap. There must have been some kind of a big plastic spider, and she's gotten caught in its web. She feels like a little fly trapped by a big spider. It's time to get her out of it. Curly Sue tears up the ties. At last, she is free. Blondie feels like a queen of the kitchen and an empress of cooking. She sits and waits when someone hands her over what she needs. Spices, a knife, a board, and cinnamon, and a whisk, and a spoon. And Curly Sue is not paid for being a kitchen servant. It's time to teach a lesson to my lazy friend. Curly Sue has a little guest to this Master Chef show. She hides a rubber spider in a paper towel roll. My friend will need it for sure. Blondie takes the roll. Ah! What is this beast doing here? There's nothing of the kind in my recipe. Go away, little monster. Curly Sue packs her suitcase and goes on holiday quickly. She must have booked a last-minute tour. This is the level of spontaneity I'm striving for. Actually, Curly Sue is not going to leave home. She printed out a picture of the Eiffel Tower and hung it on the wall. Now, take a few cool selfies. Put on an I'm on holiday face and put a hashtag #EnvyMe and post the photo on social media. Blondie sees the photo of her friend on Instagram. How did she manage to get to Paris so fast? Maybe she has a private jet. Ugh, I would love to be in Paris right now and take amazing photos. Some people have all the luck. My friend has a photo with the Eiffel Tower, or a picture of the Eiffel Tower. It's time to bring some magic to a bathroom. Let's add some shades of pink. Squeeze pink acrylic paint into a bowl. Add glitter and some water. Mix it nicely. And pour the glittering pink cocktail into the toilet. Paint paws with claws on the toilet seat using pink acrylic paint. Blondie goes into the bathroom. Oops! There are some kind of traces on the toilet seat. A magical animal must have been here. Or a pink panther needed to use the bathroom urgently. It looks mysterious. But what is there in the sink? A bowl with traces of pink paint? Now it's crystal clear. Curly Sue has something to do with that magical animal. It's time for wet pranks, or how to help your friend clean a kitchen table. Fill a whole cup with water, put a board on top and press it tightly. Turn over the cup and put it on the table. Remove the board carefully. Wipe off the spilled water.